Now guys, we will talk about exercise number 1, how we can draw this part. We will start from hexagonal shape or polygon with 6 sides. Dimension of this polygon is 80 from this corner to this corner, 80. And the height of this shape is 35. Let's go to Inventor, new, say that we have metric, standard. Start new sketch on the top view. Go to polygon. Number of sides is 6. The center of the polygon here. Say that this point on the vertical or the z-axis. Done. Now we have to constrain the dimension of this polygon. The dimension between this point and this point, how much should be, guys? 80. Finish the drawing. Extrude the height, how much? 35. Done. We have the hexagon shape. Now, we want to cut this surface or to remove from top some material to get this slanted surface. We have 2 ways. May we create a work plane here, then draw something like rectangle, very large rectangle, and cut or remove the upper material, or just draw a line here, somewhere here, guys, and make what? Split by trimming the solid. Go back to Inventor, guys. Let me go to make a work plane as example. Say my work plane parallel, no, mid between 2 planes. Actually, I want to create a plane passing through this line, guys. Okay? Passing through this line and parallel or perpendicular to this surface. Let me try one of the options. Make parallel to plane through a point. Parallel to plane through a point. Parallel to plane through a point, no. Mid between 2 planes, no. Angle to plane, 3 points. 2 points or 2 coplanar edges, tangent. Okay. Guys, I will select, I will try to select this plane or this plane, one of them. Let us try to do it here, guys. I will draw a line, as you see. Go back to the drawing. How much this height, guys? 15. How much this height? 35. Go back to the Inventor again. We want to keep this dimension, or let me draw a line first, like this, from here to here, and draw another line from here to here as example. Okay? Trim this line and trim this line. Keep this line and this line as a construction lines, and same thing for this one, construction line. Dimension, guys, between this point and this point, how much should be? 15. And this dimension between this line and this line, this point and this line, should be 0. Now the height from here 35, the height from here 15. We can close it like this, guys. Okay? And go to what? Go to the slice or split, sorry. Select the option trim solid. By the way, the solid selected by default. And now you have to select which side you want to. Before that, we need the tool. Select the line, activate the tool, and select this line. You want to remove this lower side or the upper side? The upper side. Apply. Cancel. Done. Just to repeat what I did exactly, guys. Sketch on this surface. Draw a line as example from this corner to here. Okay. Draw another line from this corner to here. should be a vertical line. Make it as a construction line. Trim this line and go to dimensions between this point and this point should be how much? 15. And we are sure that from here to here 35, no need for dimension. And now go to split again. Trim solid, the solid by default selected. We need the tool. This is the tool. Remove the upper one, apply, cancel. Now we have the slanted surface. We want to draw a sketch here, guys. Okay? We have to locate the center of the surface. So let me draw a line from this point to this point. Say this line is construction line. I will draw what? Go back to the dimensions. See the circle size or diameter given on this surface. So it's not an ellipse, it's a circle. Diameter is 50. Go back to Inventor. Draw a circle. The center of the circle is the midpoint of this line. How much diameter? 50. Regarding the slots, guys, these slots 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 12, 4 places. So distance from here to here is 12. And distance from here to here we should calculate, guys. Now diameter of the circle, how much? Or no need for this distance, guys. We know that the distance between this line and the center is 30. Enough. So let me go back to Inventor. Draw just a rectangle. Say that here. Okay. Trim the rectangle with the circle. Keep this distance and this distance equal. The dimension of this one should be 12 exactly. And distance from here to here, how much? I think 30. Done. And now we can do what? Very good. Go to circular pattern. Select this line and this line and this line. And axis about this point or the center of revolution here. And how many? We have just 4 with the original one. Okay. Trim. Remove this part and this part. Remove this part. Remove this part and this part. Finish the sketch. This is sketch number 3 or number 1 for the sweep. Now we have to what? We have to draw another sketch, guys, at the middle exactly. Or outside, never mind. But we want this sketch to draw a line. And this line should represent the axis or the path of the sweep. The path of the sweep. So let me select this one, never mind. And draw a line at the center exactly. You can go out and go out from here. Finish your sketch. Actually, this one is the path. Never mind. Outside, it's okay. It will work. Now go to sweep. The area by default selected. And now we want to indicate where is the path. By default, the path also selected, guys. But here, we want to select what? The option of cut, not join. But doesn't inserted intersect profile. Okay. Never mind. As you see, guys, from here, the circle dimension here, not the diameter is not exactly of this diameter, which is 50. Because actually, this is the projection of this circle on the lower surface. And no need to think about it, how much diameter, how much, where is the location, etc. Okay, why? Because dimensions are given on this surface, and this is enough for us. Done.